Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. A high energy montage of futuristic AI powered robots, cloud computing servers in fast paced cityscapes. Did you know, according to the 2025 IEEE Tech Impact Study, AI is officially leading the tech revolution? And it's not alone, cloud computing and robotics are right behind it. AI is driving breakthrough in robotics, transforming industries with precision and speed. From self-optimizing factories to autonomous delivery systems, AI-powered robots are doing it all faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever. And what fuels this revolution? Cloud computing. With vast processing power and real-time data sharing, it's giving AI and robotics the backbone they need to thrive. Tech leaders agree AI, cloud computing, and robotics aren't just technologies, they're lifelines for innovation. They're revolutionizing healthcare, transportation, and even our homes. 2025 is here, and the future is brighter than ever. If you are as excited about AI and robotics as we are, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more tech insights.